Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So today we have three interesting questions which read to say, given that alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and alpha beta is equal to 2, find the values of A, 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. So we know for sure that for us to be able to solve such, the first thing that you need to do is you find the common denominator, and the common denominator of alpha and beta is alpha beta, where you know for sure that alpha into alpha beta is basically beta. Beta times 1 is beta. Beta into alpha beta is alpha. Alpha times 1 is alpha, where beta plus alpha is equal to 5 and alpha beta is equal to 2. So this is how you solve such kind of an expression. Then B, you have alpha squared, beta squared, where this basically is alpha beta squared. Remember, the 2 is distributed equally. Even there, it also means the same. So alpha beta is basically 2, and 2 squared is basically 4. So also here you first solve the fraction. So when you solve the fraction here, you will have alpha beta, alpha squared plus beta squared, where you know for sure that we will never have the values of individual alpha and individual beta. So you find the identity of alpha squared plus beta squared, which is the same as alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta over alpha beta, where you know for sure that alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and alpha beta is equal to 2 over 2, where you know for sure that 5 to the power 2 is 25, minus 2 times 2 is basically 4 over 2 equal to 25 minus 4 is basically 21 divided by 2. So this is how basically you solve such kind of an expression. Yeah, if you have any question or suggestion, you can kindly drop your comment in the comment suggestion box so that we know how to help one another. Your host, Golden Zulu.